Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, write a multiple of -7 by -5 rational number. To get multiple of rational number -7 by -5, we need to multiply that two, 3, 4 and so on in numerator and denominator. So do that. So -7 by -5 into 2 by 2, that is -14 by -10. Again -7 by -5 into 3 by 3 will be -21 by -15. Then -7 by -5 multiply by 4 by 4 is -28 by -20 and so on. Hence, multiple of -7 by -5 rational number are -14 by -10, -21 by -15, -28 by -20 and so on.